Hi, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever thought about making money online but felt overwhelmed by where to start, especially in a crowded space, I completely get it. I've been there, staring at a blank screen, unsure what niche to choose, what to write about, or how people actually turn websites into income. That's why today I want to talk honestly about something that really caught my attention: pet authority fortune. The pet industry is massive, and more importantly, it's evergreen. People don't stop spending money on their pets. They look for better food, health advice, training tips, toys, and solutions when problems come up. Pets are family, and that creates constant demand. The challenge isn't whether the market works, it's how to enter it without wasting months doing everything the hard way. Pet Authority Fortune is designed to remove those early struggles. Instead of starting with an empty WordPress site and zero content, you get a fully built Pet Authority website right out of the box. We're talking about professional pet care articles, done-for-you affiliate product reviews, and even ready-made digital products you can sell. That means from day one, your site isn't just online, it's positioned to earn. What I really like is how beginner-friendly the whole system is. You don't need to be a writer, designer, or tech expert. The site installs quickly on WordPress, and everything is already structured properly. Pages are laid out cleanly, the design looks modern on all devices, and it actually feels like a real pet brand, not a hobby blog. Another big advantage is flexibility. You're not locked into one income method. You can earn through affiliate commissions when visitors buy recommended products, and you can also sell digital products directly without worrying about shipping, inventory, or customer headaches. You control the pricing, you control the content, and you can expand the site as you grow more confident.
There's also a built-in customer account system, which is something most beginner sites don't have. This makes the website feel more professional and trustworthy, especially when selling digital products. Visitors can log in, access purchases, and manage their accounts easily, which helps with repeat visits and long-term credibility. Traffic and trust are clearly part of the strategy here too. The blog comes preloaded with content designed to attract search traffic, and the interactive tools keep visitors engaged longer. Over time, that combination helps turn casual readers into buyers, which is exactly what you want if you're building something for the long run. Pet Authority Fortune isn't about chasing quick tricks or trends. It's about giving you a solid starting point in a market that already works, with most of the heavy lifting done for you. If you've been looking for a clearer, more structured way to enter the pet niche without getting stuck in setup mode, this is definitely something worth taking a closer look at. I'll leave all the details below so you can see how it works for yourself. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and see you in the next video.